How to loop in MixPad. Click and drag on the timeline to select the portion of the project that you want to loop. Place the cursor somewhere before the end of the selection, turn Loop Play mode on, and click play. The selection will play from the cursor to the end of the loop and then repeat the loop until you click pause or stop. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on looping with MixPad. The Loop button is on the Recording tab and also directly above the track list. When Loop mode is on, the button on the toolbar will appear pressed and the button above the recording list will have a green play arrow. When Loop mode is off, the play arrow will turn gray. When Loop Play mode is off, if the cursor is before the end of the selection, play will automatically stop at the end of the selection. When Loop Play mode is on, the selection will play on repeat until pause or stop is clicked. To clear your loop selection, right-click on the timeline and select Clear Selection from the list, or use the shortcut Ctrl D. MixPad also has a loop recording mode for multiple takes. The Loop Recording Mode button is next to the Loop Play Mode button above the track list. When this feature is on, the icon will have a red Record button. It will be gray when it is turned off. Click and drag on the timeline to select the section of your project where you want to record. Enable recording of the track or tracks that you want to record to, and enable Loop Recording Mode. Place the cursor at the beginning of the selection and click the Record button. Each loop of the recording will create a take. Once you are happy with one or more takes, click Stop. If you hover the mouse over the Multiple Take button on the clip title, a bubble tip will list the active take and the total number of takes. Clicking on the Multiple Take button will open a drop-down list with the following options to help you choose the best take. Expand Takes opens each take on its own track. Delete All Other Takes deletes all the takes other than the current take. Delete Current Take deletes the currently active take. The bottom half of the list displays each take. Selecting one will make it the active take and the take that will be used in your export. You can use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+P to choose the previous take, or Ctrl+Shift+N to choose the next take. For more MixPad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.